Hey, so today we're going to be looking at frequency separation and how it works for portrait touch-ups. So this image I just finished doing frequency separation on. I did also do a little bit of skin smoothing using another method, but we're going to ignore that. You'll be able to see the majority of the results here do come from the frequency separation. So let's take a look at the before and after with the frequency separation. Pretty good, right? It really does smooth things out. So now let's take a look at what frequency separation is. Frequency separation is taking your texture layer, as you can see, we have all of our texture here, and separating it from our color layer, right? So this is our color layer, this is our texture layer. You combine them, wow, you have a full image. So that's what frequency separation is. It's taking texture and the color and separating them. So now what does that do for you as a retoucher or editor? Well, it allows me to adjust just the colors, right? Or adjust just the texture layer. So say I want to remove a blemish or remove a spot in the skin that has like a weird highlight. But I want to make sure that the texture stays intact. Well, I can do that when I'm using frequency separation. And that's the main reason I use frequency separation is just to smooth out those skin transitions and do a bit of like dodge and burn without having to commit quite as much time through other means. So what you'll see here is when I turn off my on and off my frequency separation, what I've done is I've taken spots where there is dark portions of the skin that don't really blend well, blending that outwards. I've taken spots where there's a highlight, and so you want to accentuate the cheekbones. Okay, well, you add a highlight, or you can add a shadow. So like if you want the cheekbone to pop out a little bit more, you add that shadow there. That's the contour, basically. So that's what I do with it. I pop in, remove any sort of skin transition that's too harsh, or places where there's highlights there shouldn't be, or shadows where there shouldn't be, and kind of do dodge and burn like that. Now I use the mixer brush and just basically paint in sections that I don't like. So I'll just take my go on my low frequency, which is my color, and I'll be like, okay, want more here, want more here, want to pull this way, want to pull this way. And I just do all that with a brush I've made. So that's how it works. There, you can go down a huge rabbit hole with frequency separation and retouching. This is super basic. I just kind of smooth things out, slight dodge and burn, like not traditional dodge and burn, but a little is still dodge and burn. And then yeah, that's basically it. So the before and after, pretty much it.